Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. If you're looking to start or grow your business online, you're in the right place. Today we're covering a super important topic, how to create an online business page on Facebook. With over 2.8 billion users, Facebook is a gold mine for businesses. But how do you get started? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, to create a business page on Facebook, you need a personal Facebook account. If you already have one, you're good to go. If not, setting it up is quick and easy. Just head over to Facebook, sign up, and fill in your personal details. Remember, this personal account is crucial because it acts as the admin for your business page. So make sure it's legit and follows Facebook's guidelines. Even though you may not use it much, keeping it professional is key. Alright, once your personal account is set, it's time to create your business page. Log into your Facebook account and head to the Pages menu. From there, select Create a Page and choose the type of business page you want to set up. Now here's where you enter the important stuff, your business name, category, and a brief description. Make sure your description is clear, concise, and packed with keywords that your customers might search for. This helps people understand your business at a glance and makes your page easier to find. Next, let's add your contact details. This is super important because you want your customers to reach you easily. Enter your phone number, email address, and website, whatever makes it easiest for people to get in touch with you. And if you have a physical store, don't forget to add your location details. Make sure your contact information is easy to find on your page and matches what's on your website to avoid any confusion. Now it's time to make your page visually appealing. Start by uploading a high-quality profile picture, ideally your business logo, and a cover photo that represents your brand. These visuals are often the first thing people see, so make sure they're top-notch. Facebook recommends a profile picture size of 170 x 170 pixels and a cover photo size of 851 x 315 pixels. After your visuals are set, don't forget to add an action button like Shop Now or Contact Us. This makes it easy for customers to take the next step directly from your page. Do you want to make customer communication even easier? Consider linking your WhatsApp account to your Facebook page. This provides a direct and convenient way for customers to reach you. To do this, go to your page settings, find the linked accounts option, and add your WhatsApp number. After verifying your number, you can even set up a WhatsApp button on your page, making it super easy for customers to message you directly. Lastly, let's get your page some love. Start by inviting your friends and family to like your page. This helps build an initial audience and can boost your visibility. Just head to your page, find the Invite Friends option, and start sending out those invites. Also, don't forget to create engaging content to keep your audience interested and encourage them to share your page with their networks. The more engagement you get, the better your page will perform. At this point, you should have your very own Facebook business page. Creating this page is a crucial step in establishing your online presence and connecting with your target audience. Remember to keep your page updated, engage with your followers, and make use of all the tools Facebook offers, like stories and live videos. With consistency and effort, your Facebook page can become a powerful tool for growing your business. You can also check our video on how to delete a business account on Facebook. In conclusion, creating a Facebook business page is an essential step for establishing your online presence. Start by setting up a personal Facebook account, as it serves as the admin for your business page. After that, create your business page by adding key details like your business name, category, description, and contact information. Make your page visually appealing with high-quality images, and consider adding an action button for easy customer interaction. Linking WhatsApp can also enhance communication with customers. Finally, invite friends to like your page, post engaging content, and use Facebook's tools to grow your audience over time. Thanks for tuning in to TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. See you in the next video.